PDFX is a PDF reader and PDF editor. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install PDFX on your Windows laptop or PC. For it, first of all, you need to go to your Windows search option and you need to search for Microsoft Store. Then you need to open the Microsoft Store. Then in the search option, you need to search for PDFX, which is this one. Here you can see PDFX, PDF editor and PDF reader. Just click on it and then you will see this get option. Click on get and there you can see checking dependencies. So right now it will download the PDF, and once the download is complete, it will automatically install this PDFX on our Windows, and it is around 212 MB. And there you can see the installation is complete. So right now if we just click on open, it will open the PDFX over here, you can see. So we can just close this, and again if we just search for in the Windows search option, if we search for PDFX, there you can see PDFX app. If you click on it, it will open it over here. So this is how you can download and install PDFX. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.